Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Now I know you've probably been bombarded by other YouTubers right now. Guys, the Ledger Nano S is on sale, 50% off for Black Friday, $49.99 US. It's the best wallet to keep your cryptocurrency safe. I have one myself, and all the other YouTubers that I know keep their cryptocurrency safe on a Ledger Nano S. You know, they emailed me about this promotion and they told me to keep quiet about it until today. Now it has been officially announced. And guys, if you can do me a solid, if you are going to pick up a Ledger Nano S, I do have an affiliate link. Whenever you go to any of my videos, you can just scroll down here, go to show more, and it's this link here. It would be greatly appreciated. I don't ask much from you guys, but you know, if you are going to buy one anyway, please do me a solid. If you could, click on that link down in the description. Thank you so much. So as we can see, guys, crypto market has been shedding some more. A sea of red, single digit losses right now. XRP down to about 41 cents, and Bitcoin is losing large. We can see the market capitalization of the entire cryptocurrency space is just above 139 billion. Boy, what is going on? But guys, it's not all gloomy. 79% drop of Bitcoin is the smallest major correction to date. BTC has experienced 5 major corrections to date, and the recent bear market of 2018 is the smallest major correction to date. As seen in the table by a renowned trader and technical analyst, Peter Brandt, BTC experienced a drop of 79.7% in the past 11 months as its price declined from $19,500 to about $4,035. He has a chart down here, guys, but I was going to do the math here myself. I used his figures, so courtesy of Peter Brandt, thanks so much for giving us those figures. It saves me some time. And so, yeah, okay, so let's take a look at the market here, right? Bitcoin is down, that's volume, Bitcoin is down to $4,300 currently. And this is XRP on a daily. When you look at BTC on the daily, you can see this, right? Okay, huge move down. You know, there was a day where we thought maybe it could form resistance here, but it kept going down here, Bitcoin. And now we're in the middle of this zone here, okay? And it could go lower, and this is what these analysts are predicting. And it wouldn't be out of the ordinary either. So what are the average losses for Bitcoin, and how far could we still see it potentially go down? And for those of you who don't understand this yet, guys, Bitcoin is the indicator for the market right now. The crypto space is so small, and Bitcoin has the most history behind it. So we use Bitcoin as the indicator in order to kind of gauge where the market goes. Now, of course, XRP is a different beast. There is going to be real world utility behind this coin. But for now, it is still following the pulse of the market. It had kind of broken away for a bit, and we thought maybe this could have been the decoupling from Bitcoin, but we're still not seeing that volume. We're not seeing that strength yet in XRP. And so right now, we still have to rely on a spec market. So let's take a look at these losses. So the 2013 to 2015, Bitcoin recorded a high of $1,141, went down to a low of $152. That is a loss of 86.7%. Okay, in 2013, we saw Bitcoin hit a high of $259, going down to a low of $45, and that's a loss of 82.6%. 2011, we saw it go up as high as $12, down to $2, a loss of 83.3%. And there was another bull run in 2011 as well, went up to $35, went down to $2, and that is a loss of 94.3%. So, as of today, we are seeing a 79.7% loss, but what could it realistically go down to? And so I'm going to average out these historical losses that have been recorded already. And what is the average loss? So if you average 86.7, 82.6, 83.3, 94.3, the average is about 86.7%. And so we know Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 19,891, give or take, depending on what exchange you're looking at. So if you take Bitcoin's all-time high, 19,800 and change, you subtract the average loss of 86.7%, what could we see Bitcoin's bottom be? Well, that would be $2,645.50. Scary, right? And so when you average out those numbers, we still might not have seen Bitcoin's bottom yet. Let's go back to the chart to see where that falls. Okay, so this is BTC USD. Okay, again, and we've seen this decline here. And if Bitcoin hits a $2,600 Bitcoin, we would see it basing in and around this level here. So right now, I'll just zoom in here on the, so this is his history here, Bitcoin history. So right now, it's kind of hovering in this old area of support. And as we know, old support can create new resistance, or rather the other way around. I always get those mixed up. Old resistance creates new support and vice versa. In this case, this is old resistance and it could create new support. So it's hovering in this 4,344. But if it goes down to 2,600, guys, we could see it going down to this area right here. Okay, this is around the $2,600 range, and we saw it kind of hit up here, bounce down, kind of formed new support, and then kind of retraced up here, and then from there we saw a bull run. This was back in 2017. Okay, this was the summer. June 2017, came down by July 2017, and then retraced by the end of July. So guys, this is what we're seeing for Bitcoin currently. And I know it's tough. It's tough because, you know, we've been through 11 months of this, but guys, realistically, you have not been in the space for that long. If you've been in the space for 5 years and it's been a 5-year long bear run, then I could see being a little frustrated and a little upset. The other thing we have to remember here, guys, is that market conditions are changing. As of right now, up until now, we've seen a very, very immature cryptocurrency space. And they're talking about the reason for Bitcoin's huge price decreases is because there is a lack of liquidity in the market. And so, guys, this is why the introduction of Fidelity and Backed is going to be so important to cryptocurrency's future. Once we have those institutional traders in the market, we are not going to see these kinds of huge crashes anymore. There will be more liquidity in the market to support the price, and there will be more people trading. Once markets get more mature, this is what we tend to see. And then markets tend to crash then when there's some kind of cataclysmic event. So like in the oil market, for example, we saw price per barrel go down based on real world reasons and not just manipulation of the market. So guys, let me just go back to the daily hodl here. And as you can see, there's always a silver lining. XRP crypto market dominance doubles. Just going to read the headline here. So our good old workhorse XRP still, you know, maintaining its second spot here on coinmarketcap.com. Guys, just one last time, if you are new to the cryptocurrency space, maybe you've only been in it for 12 months or less, please do not fret. We're bound to see a rebound. We know institutional money's coming in. We may even see a Bitcoin of roughly $2,600. So guys, it might not be over yet. I have a feeling 2019 will be our year. But I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.